It's the heart of a woman.
The heart of a woman is something that is always broken, but I was hoping I could buy you some clothing, fly you over oceans, change your mind and your emotions. Fuck your ex, man, girl, I'm Logan. I'm on a one, ain't no cloning. And you're kind of amazing, kind of rude, but there ain't nobody afraid of you. I'll be as patient as I need to be. I got more patience in the ICU. Put up with you when you in the mood. You probably just hungry and need some food. I'ma catch you when you're falling, cause only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.